Welcome to everyone. Myself Nikitan Kapse, and I am going to continue over the previous lectures to introductory part of the syllabus. Now in previous lectures we are discussing about the model 2. In that model 2, now another one topic is the elementary particles. Before the introductions of that elementary particles, I want to say here it is one of the most important topic related to our set or the NET exams. From this topic we get two or the three questions for the 5 or the 10 marks. So these elementary particles in the previous year syllabus, it is the another one separate chapter in a previous syllabus, but in that syllabus these elementary particles are merged into the module 2. Now what we see in that elementary particles, first of all, the what is the classifications of the elementary particles and their interactions. Basically, whenever we are going to see with the classifications of that elementary particles, these classifications are divided into the three different categories. One is the weak interactions, second one is the strong interactions, and third one, it is nothing but the electromagnetic interactions. Now the next point is that the quantum numbers. Which quantum numbers? The quantum numbers of that elementary particles. Now in that quantum numbers, the charge is major aspects. Another one is the lepton numbers, baryon numbers, isospin, strangeness, and some other important related to the quantum numbers. Now another one point related to that elementary particles, that is the conservations laws. In that conservations laws, that is a CP and CPT invariance is the most important. Why I am telling here that is the most important? Because these conservations laws are directly asking for the set examinations. Now another one, that is quark theory. This quark theory is completely depend upon the elementary particles. The long and big history of the quark theory, but we are just see here 3 points related to that quark theory, that is the assumptions, their properties, and the classifications. So next one, that is the Gell-Mann mass formula, color of quark and its importance. So it is all about the module 2. Now the third, that is the nuclear forces and nuclear models. That is the module third. In that module third, these modules are divided into the two different parts. The first one, that is the nuclear force, and second one, that is the nuclear models. Now first of all we see what is including in the nuclear forces. In that nuclear forces, first of all we see the introductions of the nuclear forces. Second one, what is the properties, their characteristics, that is a spin dependency and charge dependency, and next one, that is a charge symmetry. These three parts, that is a spin dependency, charge dependency, and charge symmetry, it is all over about the nuclear forces. Now another one important questions which is more important related to our exams in university level, that is element of two body problem, that is also called as the deuteron. The simple basic questions asking on that two body problems, but these questions are the tricky questions. So next one, that is the properties, that is a Meson theory of nuclear forces, exchange force and tensor forces and its properties. So these all about the our nuclear forces. Now further move towards the nuclear models. Basically whenever we are moving with the nuclear models, the first one important models are there, that is a nuclear shell model. In that nuclear shell model, the one important topic are included which is exactly important as like the elementary particles, which is simply asking question in our net, that is called as the magic numbers. So these magic numbers are very important. That's why these nuclear shell model are more important topic is our university level as well as our net syllabi. So in that nuclear shell model, we just see that is a spin orbit coupling, nuclear magic numbers, experimental evidence of that, the magic numbers, angular momenta and parches of nuclear ground state, their significance, achievements and limitations, and magnetic moments and Smith's lines. So it is all about the nuclear shell model. Now second one, that is the liquid drop models. These nuclear drop models having some points, that is assumptions, achievements, Bohr-Wheeler theory of fissions, failure and limitations of liquid drop models. So I want just some few line explanations of the nuclear drop model, that is liquid drop models. In that liquid drop models, the fissions of the nucleus is most important. That's why the Bohr-Wheeler theory is also the important for the fissions. And another one, these theory having some limitations. These models, that is the liquid drop models, are not explain all the levels. It is somewhere it is failed. So after that, some limitations are covered, some failures are dropped, and the new models was introduced, that is called as the collective models. So in that collective models, that is vibrations and rotation states, achievements of Bohr and Mendelssohn collective models. Now we see here, in that liquid drop model, that is Bohr-Wheeler theory, and in collective model, that is Bohr and Mendelssohn's collective models. That means it is one kind of the advanced model according to the liquid drop models. Now second one, that is the Fermi models. In that Fermi models, the assumptions, achievements, limitations are the part which are studied. So are going to our last modules, that is the module 4, nuclear decay and nuclear decay reactions. We know all about the nuclear decay because we are already studied in BSc levels. So it is just introductions part. Firstly this is just introductory part of the radioactive decay, that is the law of successive transformations, dosimetry, nuclear reactions, that is types, kinematics, transmissions, fission and fusion concepts, energy production in stars, P and CN cycles. So in these part, the law of successive transformation is one of the importance, and second one, that is a fission and fusion concept. It is very interesting part, fission and fusions. Whenever we are going with the proper lectures of the fission and fusions, that time I will show you how it is interested. Just I want to explain here, with the help of this fission and fusion theory, with the help of these concepts, our nuclear bomb are born. The nuclear bomb is introduced with the help of these fission and fusion concepts. So another one, that is energy production in stars. It's a general stars which is seen the sky. So nothing the another one, it is the energy production in stars, that stars which is seen in the sky. So PP and CN cycles, these both cycles are very important. Now further, that is a beta decay. Three forms of beta decay. Another one which is important for the our university level examination, that is three form of a beta decay. It is very important. Now the Fermi and Gamow-Taylor transitions. Now these Fermi and Gamow-Taylor transitions is one important questions are asking in a set or net examinations. So please underline of these point, Fermi and Gamow-Taylor transition. It gives a 2 marks. It's just 2 marks to you. So another one, that is the Fermi theory of beta decay, Curie plot, angular momentum and parity, selection rules, allowed and forbidden transitions, non-conservation of parity and beta decay, neutrino hypothesis, detections and properties. Now another one, that is the selection rules. These selection rules are which is used in the different kinds of the energy levels. Whenever we are going in a detail with that selection rules, at that time I show you how the selection rules are used to give a large marks in the different energy levels. It is the such correlated part of these two different aspects. So now the another one, that is non-conservations of parity in beta decay. This is another one important questions which is asking in our university levels. Please whenever I want to explain, whenever I am telling you it is important, this topic is important, please note in a different paper or just underline on that topics. So guys, now in our next lectures we are going with modules. That means our theory lectures are properly start. It is the just introductions of our syllabus. Thank you.